Hey guys, just another easy recipe. It's Risa in my kitchen. Hope you're doing great. And you're going to learn how to make roasted squash. And today I'm using my butternut squash. I have two of them. And I've just put it on a cookie sheet with some tin foil and I've just sprayed it. I'm preheating my oven right now. You can see it's preheating to 400 degrees. You can use convection. You don't have to. It's up to you. And we're going to put this in for at least, it really depends on the size. So one is a bit bigger, one's a bit smaller, but at least an hour or so. And I'm going to put it in the oven now and we're going to see what happens next. Okay, so I had it in for an hour and a half, okay? And you can see that it is bubbling and brown, okay? And you can just touch it, just put your finger on it and you can see that it's soft enough now to cut, all right? So we're just gonna take a sharp knife and I like to just go right in the middle. All right, and you can see how easy it is to cut it open like so. Look how pretty. Just cut it open. And now we're just going to turn it over. All right, turn them over and then put them back in your oven and we're gonna roast it now for another I'd say about another 40 minutes or so because we want it to look brown, all right? And if you want, you can spray a little bit on top with some olive oil too. And I'll be back. And it's out of the oven about another 30 minutes or so. And you can just turn it over and check to see that it's brown and it's a really nice color. You just take out the seeds and put it on your favorite plate or bowl. Add a little bit of cinnamon if you like, a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Okay, I like the Lakanto monk sugar myself. And you can add a little bit of some syrup, a little bit of I can't believe it's not butter, light if you want, or just eat it. It is super sweet. All right, so this is the easiest way to make your squash roasted. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, tag me when you post my recipes. All my ingredients and directions are under each video as well. All right, love you guys. And of course, share my channel. We want to get everybody out there healthy. Bye for now.